This is code.org, and this is a check for understanding. Match each term to its correct definition. We got inheritance, superclass, subclass, tester class. Wow. All right. So what I will tell you guys, if you get intimidated by stuff like this, you can always, Google, look things up, but it's going to be hard that way, especially since code.org provides awesome resources. I'm going to click up here on lesson 8, and I'm just going to go down to lesson 8 and lesson resources. Okay. Oh, look, inheritance. An object-oriented programming principle where a subclass inherits the attributes and behaviors of a superclass. And yep, boom. So guys, when you're thinking about inheritance, right now we have our painter class where I can do move, I can do turn left, I can paint, things like this. Now, I might want something very specific. So maybe I have no idea, I'm making this up on the fly, a house painter class. And that house painter is going to have really specific things, like it will paint a door shape. And so when I do painter.door, it's going to print a door shape. Now I want it to have all the existing behaviors that the painter class does, but I want it to be distinct. That's when inheritance would be used. Okay, subclass, a class that extends a superclass and inherits its attributes and behaviors. Subclass, a class that extends a superclass. So in my really rough example, house painter, the house painter would be the subclass, the painter would be the superclass. Superclass, a class that can be extended to create a subclass. Yep, makes sense. And the tester class, the class that contains the main method and from where the program starts running. What? The class that contains the main method from where the program starts running. Yep, boom, and